Have you ever wanted a credit card that understands your financial goals? One that rewards you for investing, not just spending? Today, we're diving into the Robinhood credit card, a unique financial tool designed to align with your investment journey. Imagine a credit card that doesn't just offer cash back or travel miles. Imagine one that rewards you with free stocks for every purchase. That's the Robinhood credit card. But before we get into the application process, let's understand what sets this card apart. Unique features of the Robinhood credit card. Free stocks for every purchase. Every time you swipe your card, you'll earn a share of a stock from a rotating selection. No annual fee. Enjoy the benefits of this card without paying a yearly fee. Investment insights. Get access to personalized investment insights and market updates directly through your card app. Cash back on investments. Earn cash back on your Robinhood investments, providing a double boost to your financial growth. Eligibility requirements. Before we dive into the application process, let's ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Typically, you'll need a good credit score, a stable income, to be a U.S. citizen or legal resident. Application process. Visit the Robinhood website, head over to Robinhood's official website and navigate to the credit card section. Create an account. If you don't already have a Robinhood account, you'll need to create one. Start the application. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to start the credit card application process. Provide personal information. Fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and contact information. Financial information. You'll also need to provide information about your income, employment, and financial history. Review and submit. Carefully review your application to ensure accuracy and then submit it for processing. Tips for a successful application. Check your credit report. Before applying, review your credit report to ensure it's accurate and free of errors. Limit new applications. Applying for multiple credit cards in a short period can negatively impact your credit score. Be honest. Provide accurate information on your application to increase your chances of approval. What to expect after applying. Once you've submitted your application, Robinhood will review your information and make a decision. If approved, you'll receive your credit card in the mail. Using your Robinhood credit card. Activate your card. Once you receive your card, activate it online or by phone. Start earning free stocks. Begin using your card for your everyday purchases to earn free shares of stock. Track your rewards. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account to see your accumulated free stocks. Take advantage of investment insights. Use the card's personalized investment insights to make informed financial decisions. Frequently asked questions. Can I use my Robinhood credit card for international purchases? Yes, you can use your card for international purchases. However, foreign transaction fees may apply. Can I transfer my balance to a lower interest rate card? Balance transfers may be available, but check with Robinhood for specific terms and conditions. What happens if I miss a payment? Late payments can negatively impact your credit score and may result in additional fees. The Robinhood credit card offers a unique and rewarding way to align your financial goals with your investment strategy. By earning free stocks for every purchase and gaining access to investment insights, you can take your financial journey to the next level. Ready to apply for the Robinhood credit card? Visit their website today and start earning rewards for your everyday spending. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the Robinhood credit card, leave a comment below. Until next time.